Today we're going to be making ketogenic nachos. These are not your regular nachos. These are for people on keto diet.
You wanna cook with me when you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com.
So we're going to start out by making some ground beef. I have about a pound of ground beef, and I've seasoned it, cooked it in its own fat. And I'm going to add my seasonings, some chili pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, whatever you want to add, however you would make seasoned ground beef to go on nachos or tacos, etc. That's what you should do. And so I'm going to go ahead and cook that all off. And then after that, what you want to do is get yourself a nice hot pan. You want to make sure your pan is hot and that it is a coated pan. I'm going to put a little bit of oil on it, non-stick coated pan. I'm going to be using extra sharp cheese, some cheddar cheese, as well as some Swiss cheese in order to make my cheese chips. So these are the chips we're going to be using for our nacho. Obviously, we're doing a keto diet, so we do not want to use regular type of nachos. These will actually crisp up very nicely. The key to getting them crisp is making sure your pan is hot before you put the cheese into the pan. And so then the cheese begins to sizzle, as you see here. And I think I had the heat on just a little too high for this first batch. But when you flip it and then it cools, it crunches right up. I especially love the Swiss cheese. And Swiss cheese, you throw that in the pan. And same concept once again, but I think actually I got a better crisp with the Swiss cheese, and it held together a whole lot better. Actually, I realized that putting in the whole was actually better than cutting them in quarters or half rather. So here are the chips. Here are our chips, and don't they look just yummy? I want you to see this. See how crisp they are? Check this out. Check that. Crisp. Watch this. Watch. See how nice and crispy that is? How it just looks just like a chip, and that's all cheese, just fried cheese. So I'm gonna scoop my ground beef right on top of that, and then we're gonna add all of the different types of toppings like grated cheese, and you can add guacamole if you like. You can add, I'm gonna use some of this hot salsa that has a little bit of picante. Very low carbs in this at all. And of course, like I said, if you are so inclined, add yourself some jalapenos, add yourself some aguacate or avocado, or go ahead and make yourself some guacamole. I've just decided, because this is not firm, to go ahead and just stay away from the avocado for this one, but it would go very well for anyone on a keto diet. You can have some sour cream, and like I said, look, all these things are very all right, so low we got carb.
Our nachos, and yeah, take a look at that. So I want you to hear this crunch. Okay, this is the here, I'm gonna grab one that has the this is the one made from Swiss cheese. You hear that? It's good. Very little carbs in here at all. None of the cheeses have any carbs, and the only carbs really coming in here are from the sour cream, and they're very minimal as well. This is like less than 5 grams of carbs per serving. So very easy to make. Very fulfilling. So try this out when you get a chance. Continue to look for some new keto recipes coming up very soon. I'm on a ketogenic diet and I'm trying to change the way I'm eating, and I'm going to try to change some of the recipes that I have to make them keto friendly so that we can all enjoy that. So if you're on a keto diet lifestyle, tune in right here. You're going to be getting some new videos regarding ketogenic eating recipes, food recipes, right? I gotta go. I'm hungry. Bye.
You wanna cook with me when you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. I said real homecooking.com. I said real homecooking.com.